the Ford Pass. Safety check. I'm not driving. So good afternoon, Barry. From there, if you've got the car, you download the app, you put the chassis number in, make a password, click on it, and then it'll give you the OK on the system to make sure that you're not just trying to access somebody else's car. Once you've done that, vehicle details, there you go. You can, don't matter where you are, at home, the car can be outside locked up. Shows you how much fuel you've got in, where the car's actually parked, so you can, if you can't remember where you've parked your car, or as I often do, I go out in the car and go to Waitrose and I forget what car I've got in because we've got something. I can, if I remembered it was a Ford, I could find my way back to it using this app. So there you go. That shows you exactly where the car's parked outside our garage. Vehicle location. It tells you your tyre pressures. It tells you your oil life. And also, from here, we just go back there. I can lock the car from anywhere or unlock it. Sorry. Which I think's brilliant.